the crypto nest. So today I just woke up and amazing. I mean, Bitcoin, it's just skyrocketing, isn't it? Um, I'm almost speechless. Wow. I mean, I went to bed yesterday. I think it was maybe 68k, 68k, and now you can see that yeah, this downtrend and this uptrend, you know, price was squeezed, and he had to take a decision. And I'm guessing, well, he decided to go up, isn't it? So this is since yesterday. We're talking about 3.33. Yeah, pretty good. Now, if we go look at the crypto, let's see. Ethereum didn't move that much. Avalanche. I mean, we said it's doing, you know, a correction, right? So as you can see, well, it did go up, but not crazy up, right? So it's still holding that level and still working on that wave C. It could, you know, trigger anytime now. I mean, it did reach the 0.382, but honestly, if we can go a little bit lower, maybe reach the 1.38. This once again, it's compare the wave A to wave B, and I added to so the wave C. Let me rephrase that, okay? I didn't take my coffee yet, so be patient with me. So I took the length of the wave A and added on a wave B, and these are the levels we got. Usually it's the 1-to-1, but since we did a higher wave B, then, you know, as you can see, the 1-to-1 ratio, 3610, very relevant, we're there, but I would love to go to the 1.38 at least. It's not because I like price to go lower. It's just because it would make a cleaner chart and honestly reach the 0.5 ideal retracement. But I do know that I can see that, you know, MA50 is acting as a support, and you know we just made a dead cross. Not that it means anything. It just means that we did an important correction, and actually for people who are not scared, that implies that we are into bargains levels maybe. Okay, so this is one. Lido also only 1.3. I'm still working, is still working, I believe, into this final wave C. I did tell you I'm looking for $2.1, $2.2. I'm going to start to reaccumulate at yeah, these levels now. I don't know what happened with this one. I think I was maybe before on a fib, on a linear. So yeah, 2020, $2.20. Maybe I'm going to start to scale in partially, but my main levels, yeah, near the 0.5, actually at DMA 50, and if it goes lower, yeah, I'm in for that ride. STX, honestly, I think it could reverse now. Let me see the bigger count, because even me sometimes I'm kind of, actually this one I didn't really label, did I? So I'm surprised about myself. The only thing here, okay, visually I can see 5-way. Maybe let me see here, we can do it together. Try to not make a big video this time also. So maybe this is wave 1, this is a wave 2, all this wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Now just quickly, I will spend some more time on this chart today, I believe, because it's worth it. I do believe now, if Bitcoin wake up, then it's going to be really worth it to... okay, now this could be... No, I'm going to start it here, just to be minimalist. So this was the, let's say, maybe a wave 1, if I'm able to get it. This is wave 2. So that works. We would have reached as a wave 3 the 2.618, $1.92, and this could be the fourth. So let me go and check that. Actually, let me add another. Let me take out the 1.618 and add the 3.618 if I can. It was just here on the side. Okay, now let me see if this fourth wave was a nice one that respected our fibs, and it looks like it did. Wave 4. So I'm going to take out the 0.236, make a cleaner chart, and you can see that it did react to this level, and after we bounce back. Now I did extend it right to the 3.618. We went even a little bit higher. Maybe we did the 4x. Do we have a 4 there? We have. So 4x, I would say bend on, right? You can see that the line it's coinciding with the 4. So this, 5-way up. Now, how this is going to end up if I do the bigger fib? I think it's this one. Now, because I use the fibs, maybe it's... so once again, I'm going to use the same limits, same levels, I should say, from this point here that I calculated the wave 1. So this was 1, A, B, C. I see now it works very nice, right? Maybe this, I don't know. I don't want to say it looks like a diagonal because, I can say a 1, a 2, an A, a B, and a C. And this was the 4. Yeah, and this could be also an A, B, and a C, and then we kind of extended. Yeah, it kind of work. Again, this is just overlooking the chart. I'm going to do some deep diving further. Okay, so this one, it does work. So if price, okay, so now, yeah, the only thing here is like we didn't go that. We didn't do a big retracement, right? We didn't even touch the 0.382. Let me see if those are with the fibs. They are. Because sometimes it can mess up the chart if we don't click on the fibs, linear fibs. Okay, so yeah, so this is it could be just the wave A, and we're going to do a wave higher, well, I know a wave B, so it's going to go higher, and then after we're going to something like that, and then after reach yeah, a lower level. So we're going to see a monitors, but also, if Bitcoin decided to go finally for the bigger ride, but actually it would make sense because now Bitcoin is waiting for its fifth wave, so it's going to drag price up, and then Bitcoin now after that it will have 5 waves up to complete the bigger third wave, and then we're going to have a bigger 4-wave pullback for Bitcoin, which could be make sense that it would drag STX in lower levels, and then this would be a place where I would jump in. For a moment, yeah, there is opportunity for the B wave, but also it can be that when Bitcoin is going to do its fifth leg, STX is going to just skyrocket. That's a possibility. That's why it's not a perfect science, right? It's like how you read market and what you do with it. Okay, so Link, my dear Link. So it did do 5-way up, right? So what's the deal now? Well, now we need to do a pullback. So this is just going to be, I just want to zoom out a little bit. All this was wave 1, we did the wave 2, and this is part of the wave 3. So once again, because I have some friends that are like, okay, so Chainlink is finished. Well, actually, no, it's not finished at all. This is just the wave 1 of wave 3. I don't know why my pen is not working. After that, so now it means we're doing the wave 2, and then we're going to have the 3, the 4, and the 5. Honestly, I don't know what happened with the pen. Maybe it's internet issue again. Seriously, now you're working. Okay, so let's start back. So this is wave 1 of wave 3. We are actually, I'm pretty sure that we should be starting to do the wave 2, And after that, we're going to do the wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so this is going to be only the third wave of this light green count, and we're going to have after that a 4 and a 5. Now the question is, are we going to do all that, all the third wave, the fourth and the fifth in this cycle? This is the, yeah, that's the question we want to answer. But ideally, because I took the fib extension of the wave 1 and wave 2, if because it could be also possible that this is just once again an A, B, and we're going to reach lower levels, but I don't see the need to do that because we're in a bullish market. So when I do the extension, it should bring us to $111. Now, let's see if we get there, but honestly, if we can go back, if we can go near $60, I'm going to be pretty much happy. Okay, so that's for that. And what else did I want to... All right, I want to spend some time on, yeah, BGB. That's the BitGet coin. You can see that it's freaking skyrocketing. And oh, for sure, there is no reason to FOMO, because now I believe maybe this movement, it's maybe at its last, I don't know. Because if I start to label something here, maybe I can say this was an ABC because everybody's doing diagonals. For a 1, this was the 2, perfect. And I didn't do any extension, so that's very not neat. So let me do quickly 1, not very accurate. My first point, but it's going to give my second point also missed. Okay, let me go and readjust a little bit. I know it's an estimation, but when you can clearly see that you missed it, right? Okay, so now let's go for the wave 3 and 5. So $4.23. So I mean, 1, 2. It doesn't. See, I need to work on this chart. Would it be that this, it's just a wave 1 and 2 and all this is wave 3? That's a little bit of a stretch. Once again, it's a diagonal. Let's let me, so that is not the good setting. So it's going to help a little bit. Wave 3 and 5 diagonals. There you go. So we're about $1, a little bit less than $1 to reach the 1.236. That would be kind of, yeah, the beginning of the first target for a diagonal, which honestly start to make sense now though. And after that, we're going to have a wave 4. So that, yeah, that's, it does works, it does make sense. I did got some here, honestly, but now clearly I regret. I should have get more. All right, so yeah. Now, what else? What else? So after that, yeah, if we do a wave 4 after that, maybe it's I'm going to scale back in even heavier, because you never know these coins, right? So if everything goes planned and we just go here, we should go and be able to get them about at the same price they are now. So that would be neat. Let me add the 0.236. So yeah, a little bit higher than today. If we go just to the 0.236, ideally 0.382, and that would be amazing. But this is like, I don't want to say long term, but in a medium term. So we will get there if we get there, and if the reading of the chart I'm doing, it's good. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much all I wanna. Okay, Phantom. I did got a little bit more Phantom. Yeah, now I'm honestly looking forward for this 5th wave now. Are we going to make it? I was trying to do some micro counting long time ago. Well, I mean, not long, that long, but let me go on the 4 hours. Okay, so what do we have here? So I think I was saying, yeah, it looks like a diagonal, right? Because I don't see impulsive movement. So we had an A, B, C for the wave 1, correction here, wave 2, and another A, B, C for the wave 3. This is wave 4. I don't really like when, you know, wave 4 goes in the fields or wave 1, but, you know, those are diagonal. So what can you do? That's life. Now, I wanted to do something here, but I don't think it's going to work out. If I do the trend line here, yeah, I think it's so I copy the trend and I try to put it on a wave 2. Not really perfect. We lost momentarily that trend. Don't know what is this trend here. Yeah, it's I think I can take it out. Cleaner chart, my friend. Okay, so take out that one also, and yeah, this one. Okay, so wave 4, it could be completed for Avalanche. So I'm looking forward this skyrocketing movement now. I am loaded. I think I'm going to increase even my position a little bit more into my leverage. I'm ready. I'm ready to assist this skyrocketing movement. Let me see here if I did it properly. So wave 1 and wave 1 and wave 2. Yeah, okay. So Phantom, I'm looking for $2.23. Let's see if we can get there. That would be amazing. Once again, you know, I'm not asking too much. These are the levels for diagonals. So this should be something. But once again, never ask too much in life. So if price goes and reverse and start to go higher, I'm going to extend this trend line here. And depending on where the price is going to be, I'm going to start to take profits at this level. Why is that? Because you never know. You never know. And also here we need to pay particular attention to this level here. It was a little bit of, yeah, it was our B wave on our wave down. So can act as a resistance. And for sure we have this level here. Yeah, so that's pretty much all for today. Another video of 18 minutes. That's too long. Actually, let me know if you find it's too much. If you prefer individual ones, well, take a little bit more time for me. But if that is what you prefer, maybe I can try to do that. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.